Leather Honey. Turn to our time-tested, all-natural formula to protect their leather. They trust our small family business and the premium products we're proud to stand behind.
Lexol presents The Car Coach, Lauren Fix.
Love, warmth, the reason I stay up late and I wake up early. The joy that I feel when I am with them. My true loves. And this kind of love deserves the very best. And that's why I use Lexol products. Lexol's leather cleaner is pH balanced, making it a perfect solution to safely clean your leather. Simply spray the cleaner onto a wet cloth or a Lexol applicator sponge and rub briskly onto the leather to work up a lather. Use a damp cloth to wipe away the foam and dirt and then towel dry. Mom! 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 Now it's time to condition. Lexol Conditioner is a nutrient-rich formula that preserves, strengthens, and beautifies all your leather. Hello, Mom! Lexol Leather Cleaner and Conditioner work together to keep your leather looking like new.
Lauren? Lauren!
Oh, honey. Love your leather with Lexol.
Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Complete Leather Care Kit. Chemical Guys Complete Leather Care Kit is the easiest and most leather-friendly leather cleaner because it easily wipes away light and heavy contaminants without harming leather. The leather cleaner penetrates the pores of leather to lift and suspend dirt and oils. The Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Care Kit comes pH balanced for the most efficient cleaning to preserve the leather's strength, durability, and appearance. Professional, high-quality leather conditioner cream lotion formulated with stain guard to bind with leather fibers, reducing the ability of oils and grease to attach to leather surfaces. After a single application, surface is left clean and refreshed. Kit includes two 16-ounce bottles, available right now on Amazon.com.